Welcome to the Phazon creation. We are going to secure Chrome browsing today. First thing we're going to do is to enable Chrome Enhanced Protection. Go to the settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Then Security option. Inside the security, set to the Enhanced Protection. Enhanced Protection can protect you from dangerous event and provide extra security to your browsing. Warns you if passwords are exposed in data breach and things like that. Next, you should avoid insecure websites. Always check the padlock of the website, which makes sure that this website is secure with HTTPS protocol, which means the data shared is encrypted and secure. Check this padlock and it will tell you that the connection is secure or not. You can check the security SSL certificate if valid or not. Do not visit and enter your personal data into the insecure websites. Always keep updating your browser on regular basis. If you did not set it automatically, go to Settings. Help and About Chrome, then check if you are using updated version of the browser. If your browser is not updated, then downloads its update. It will help you to do the most secure browsing on the internet. Now my browser is updated. Let's relaunch it by clicking this button. Now we have done. The next thing is safety check, which is also very important. To check out this option, go to the Privacy and Security. Click on Check Now button. It will tell overview of the security, like version update, information about passwords, extensions and safe browsing. You can see it is telling me about my password, which is compromised, and there are 9 weak passwords. That is very helpful. I know my one account is hacked by malicious application. To take action, you have to click on Review button. I can change my password here. Let's move to the next thing, which is Cleanup feature. Click on Reset and Cleanup. You will see here 2 options. The first one is Reset to Default, the second is Clean up your computer. It will find the harmful software, malicious application on your computer and protect your data from these viruses. After searching a few times, it will show the report. No harmful software is found in your system. Another important thing is to clear your history. Go to the history from here. You will see here 2 options, Basic and Advanced. It depends on you. What do you want to choose? Clear your data to select option, All-Time History. It will help you to remove all data which are using your memory and make your browsing more fast. The next is Extension. We don't know if any Chrome extension is collecting or recording our personal data. We should always use the trusted Chrome extensions. Never use any malicious extensions, it may breach your security and harm you. I hope this video will help you a lot to protect you from the attacks. This is very useful for you if you use online banking transactions. Thank you.